Hey everybody, in today's video, we are going to show you how we can import an existing project into Lovable AI so that we can edit, improve, or continue building our app. So let's just jump right in. You can access the dashboard of Lovable AI for that. Go ahead and access your browser and type in lovable.dev and this site should open up. So the first thing we need to do is if you have not connected your GitHub, you need to connect it. And usually for your projects, you may scroll from the given page and look out for your projects in this section right here and select the option of view all. And you should be able to access all of your projects in this page right here. So connect your GitHub account. First of all, look out for your profile in the top right and select it. After that, you need to select this option of settings and open it up. After you access your settings, you need to look out for this integration section and look out for the GitHub option and select it. After that, you can just go over and start connecting your account. So select this option of connect GitHub and just go over and connect your GitHub here. So let's just sign in and you need to verify yourself and allow your access. Select this option of authorize and authorize yourself. And you will be connecting to GitHub and Lovable will be showing all of your GitHub here. So once your account is connected, you'll be finding it here. You may scroll down and go to the project section right here. And there we go. Now you can click on the three dot, select the option of settings. And once you go to settings, go over and here you'll be finding your project settings available. Within here you can look out for your display name, your URL slug, your project visibility, and etc. You can just go over and select your category as well. And you can rename your project as well. You can remix it, duplicate this app into a new project, and transfer this project to a different workspace. So you can just go over and select this option of transfer, and you can move it to a different workspace. But if you want to import it, it is super easy. You just need to connect your GitHub account and set up the environment for it. And once it is done, you can start editing with the Lovable AI itself, and the changes will be saved directly. And you can preview the changes instantly as well by clicking on this preview option, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. We can just go over and follow up this process and easily import the existing project into Lovable AI. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.